Okay, hello my friends. This is Lucy from Fluidart with Macrame Elegance. And today we're going to do a bloom. Now the last bloom I did, this is the second one in a series, using the same colors. Last time we started this way. We went to the Red Violet, Nickel Azo Gold, Watermelon, 24 Gold, and then Golden's Teal. This time we're going to do the opposite. So let's start with this, with the Golden's Teal. Teal, this one is the only opaque color. Okay, now we'll do the 24 karat gold. And then we'll do the Watermelon by this little piggy. Love this color. And then the Nickel by Golden's Nickel Azo Gold. And Amsterdam's Red Violet. All right, let's use some black oxide for the cell activator. All right, I'm using my flower blow dryer. Actually, let me blow into the center first, just to, sorry if I got my head in that, just to enlarge it a little bit. There we go. We're getting some cell action. Let me let it sit for a minute so I can kind of, after this settles a little bit, then I can move it a little bit more this way. I don't want to do it right away, and we need to let it all move as one. So in the meantime, I can get rid of the air bubbles that have popped and are bringing up the pillow paint, which I do not like. They're not allowed to do it. I just say, you are not allowed to do that. So we are having fun. Whoops, I just made it worse. We are having fun. And sometimes they don't work out, right? That's right. It's okay. You just start over. Okay. Let's see if we can move this down a little bit. This is gonna be looking very pretty. I don't think my table is level. Let me get that one. Okay, let me do some things that I like to do. Always wipe your stick after you do that. Let's make some more. My grandchildren are having fun doing this with me. Last night we attempted some and they just weren't, the paints we were using, it was not the right consistency. They just were not turning out nice. So I just we added the paints to a flip cup. And they learned the flip cup and we saved it. All right. Whoops, come on. Sometimes I like to drag the black like through it. Give it a little more something. I love the bloom, though it can be tricky. Sometimes it's like they're not doing really what you want. All right, that's beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna get the, I think that's gonna be a bubble. I'm not sure. I'm gonna bring my box out here and then we will spin it. Okay, let me get some paint to the edges. And we will spin it out slowly. It's beautiful, isn't it? Love it. I love this combination. Turned out really good. All right. Okay, I can already see that this, where it's like a big round ball, I don't really like that, so I'm just gonna just add a little something in it, because all of these things get enlarged. Now, if you have a lot of white drops, dots like that, after your painting is dry, you can take Crayola water, what are they called? Super tips. They're felt pens, and those dots, you can have a painting full of dots, and if you take your time and match the color, those dots are all gone. Okay, let's spin it. I mixed my pillow paint up not too long ago. That's why it's doing this. Giving me all those. Problems with the dots. So I can always fix them later. If I would have used not as much paint, I would have got a flower-like bloom, but this is just paint is still on there. I don't think very much.